Hi guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this toddler base outfit. So let's start. So first hop into avatar, and for the face we're going to want to search up kawaii, chibi, sweet sad baby doll dynamic head, which is, let me just put it on again. Okay, let's start from a fresh base. Okay, so what you're going to do first is go to animations and go to custom, search up cheek, and you're going to see some of these, but the one what says by Roblox, just equip this one and put in 1 in that slot. Then you have the head. Then you're going to want to search in kawaii, chibi, sweet sad, and you can use either this one, which I'm going to be using, or you can use this one, but I'm just using this one because that's the outfit making. Then on face, search up cake batter. There, then put whichever one you like on. I normally use this one. And then search up Athena for these hair pieces. You can do it in any hair colour, but I'm just using blonde for this one. And you're going to want to search up dummy ears. Then equip whichever ones. I'm going to be using these ones. Then search up big pearl earrings. Then equip these ones by Eggo. And then for the hair, go into body, then hairs. Search up finger waves. Then you can use any colour again, but I'm just going to use blonde because it matches the bangs. Bye guys, see you in the next video.